We are in Olivenhain, California, which is an enclave of Encinitas, in front of our beautiful burnt down house. I grew up right down the street, and it was always my dream to move back to Olivenhain, have a little bit of land to raise our kid in. My parents and I would always take walks around the area. We would tour the model homes when the new houses were built. I think when I was 13, I picked up a little pamphlet of a design I really liked, and I said, one day I'm going to be able to have this house.
We would hike by these homes all the time and be like, well, if we're lucky, we'll be able to get one of these when we're 50. Fortunately for us, one of them burnt down, and we were able to get it for a steal. The fire was so hot, it burned a pillar through the middle of the house, and everything inside of there is ash. We were actually really impressed with Marrokal right away.
They had a great portfolio. They showed us the work that they've done before we signed with them. One of the best parts with working with Marrokal for us has been working with our designer, Jason. She's been very great at helping us pick this color schemes, working it within our budget, finding something that looks beautiful and classy.
When they did the design, they had already parceled it up, so they knew what different things were going to cost us. They've really worked hard to stay within our budget, which was important to us because things get expensive. We had a vision for what we wanted, and then we had professionals take our idea and really show us how to build something amazing.